So here we have this General Electric air conditioner. This is likely made by LG or Gold Star or whatever the heck. Seems old enough to be branded under Gold Star. It's actually the same as my Gold Star, the one that I used to have before I sold it. And unlike the higher, this actually has information. So we'll take a look at those. R22, that's pretty nice. It's from January of 2006. Sorry for my nose. 5,150 BTUs. About 5 amps. Wow, that's actually quite powerful for one of these. And it was, I know it doesn't matter, but EER of 9.7. Made in China. I assume it has an LG fan motor. I can't see in there. I know it has an LG compressor. This is basically the same as my Gold Star unit. It's slightly different in many ways. The coil on this one's a bit dinged up. But you guys mainly want to see the startup. So we'll start off with low fan. Oh, it would help if I plugged it in. This also has GFI on it. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And once again, plugging in the extension cord. You're not really supposed to do that, but like I say, just for the video. Alright, so now let's turn it on to low fan. This also is not that loud. In fact, it's actually quite quiet. I imagine this is what the Gold Star would have sounded like if the bearings weren't bad. Although I can hear that the bearings on this one are starting to go as well. So that's low going high. And unlike the higher, it actually has a good range in speeds. I figure you guys want a compressor startup. I'll just take you off the tripod for that because that last time was a bit of a pain in the neck. The compressor is on this side. It's usually on the same side as the controls. So let's turn on. These units do not like cold starts at all. This has a nicer sounding LG compressor though, unlike the Gold Star. That's a nice slow fan startup though. It's got some charge, but it's not much. It's taking a while to build the pressure. These were good units when you first got them, but then once you've had them for a while, then they don't seem to last super long. I mean, they'll last like 10-ish years, maybe like, I'd say maximum like maybe 15 years before they start clapping out on you. I guess that's actually quite a while, but for something modern, but still. And this too has a nice sounding compressor. It's still not quite cold yet. These are pretty notorious for taking a long time to build the pressure. Let's check it again. Oh yeah, it's starting to get cold now. So I'll pick up the video in a second. This seems to be working. So that's good. It's cold now. Yeah. These just take a very long time though. How much I am on time. Yeah, you can hear the gas building up now. You can hear the compressor changing in pitch. It's ice cold now. This definitely works. I'll shut it off and get you some refrigerant sounds. I'm running low on time anyways. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.